Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases. This is the part, which we are trying to build.
As earlier, I will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this simple part. I will only use two sketch, one boss extrude and one extrude cut command for designing this CAD video tutorial. I hope you will enjoy this SolidWorks tutorial. If you like my tutorial then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. It will encourage me making new videos for you.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 87 millimeters. Take center line command and draw lines like this. Select these entities. Make coincident. Distance is 50 millimeters.
Now take circle command. Press OK.
Select these entities. Make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 20 millimeters. Again, take circle command and draw circle like this.
Press OK.
Select these entities. Make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 35 millimeters.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 45 millimeters. Distance is 5 millimeters.
Now take circle command.
Hold on Control button and select those circles and choose tangent relations. Select these entities. Make coincident. Radius is 25 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 50 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Now take Circle command.
Hold on Control button and select those circles and choose tangent relations. Hold on Control button and select those circles and choose tangent relations. Radius is 50 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 100 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Width is 20 millimeters. Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Press Ctrl+8. Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Distance is 5 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Height is 35 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
From Featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select up to next.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
Hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any question about this video or any other, then please leave a comment. We will discuss on it. If you like my tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. It will encourage me making new videos for you.